Man, oh man, do I have a hankerings for some barbecue. But I live in Florida. Can't find good barbecue here. Lived in Kansas City for over 20 years. You had Arthur Bryant's, Gates, Zarda's, and the holy grail of barbecue, Joe's. Formerly known as Oklahoma Joe's. But man, come down to Florida and you have, you have to buy a smoker and make your own barbecue. Now that I'm in the camper, I don't have room for a smoker, but I have room for a Ninja Foodi, which means I have room for Dr. Pepper pulled pork barbecued sandwiches. The easiest recipe you will ever use and make the most deliciousness you will ever have in a pulled pork sandwich. So I can't wait to show you how to make it. So let's get started. See all this right here? That's it. That's all you need. You're gonna need 2 cups of Dr. Pepper, 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Of course I'm gonna use Kansas City style. 1 onion, 4 pounds of pork, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. That's it. That's all you need. Let's get cooking. Take that 1 onion and we're gonna chop it up. Now you're gonna cut up your 4-pound pork loin into chunks, maybe 4 or 5 chunks. Now that you have it all cut up, add your tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of kosher salt, add your Dr. Pepper. Yes, it's gonna be foamy. That's where all the deliciousness comes from. These are 12 ounces each. I'm just not gonna use it all. And 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Put on your pressure lid. Make sure it's on seal. Pressure cooker on high for 50 minutes. 50. It's been 50 minutes with a 10-minute natural release. So I'm gonna let the rest of the steam out by moving that to vent. The red pin's dropped, so let's open it up and take a look. Smells like deliciousness. Now what you wanna do is take the pork out, put it in a bowl. We need to get rid of all the juice and then shred up this pork. Look at that falling apart as I take it out of here. After transferring the pork out of the Ninja Foodi and getting rid of the liquid, now you take 2 forks and shred it up. All the pork is shredded up now. I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and mix it up. And there you have it. Dr. Pepper barbecued pulled pork sandwiches. Geez, it's harder to say than it is to make. Anyways, I'm gonna take a bite of it and see how it tastes. Yes! So much deliciousness in there. You taste the twang from the Dr. Pepper and the barbecue sauce. So good. So I have one question for you. Are you hungry? Good. Let's eat.